Meaning of double digits.
Double digits.
Double digits.
Double digits.
Double digits. The phrase double digits typically refers to any number between 10 and 99, where there are two digits present. This is in contrast to single-digit numbers, which range from 0 to 9. When someone talks about double-digit growth, they mean that a number has increased by at least 10% over a period of time. Similarly, double-digit inflation means that the rate of inflation is greater than 10%. Overall, double digits is a term used to describe any number between 10 and 99 that has two digits present.